So one of the things I love when I got my Z Flip 5 is the ability to open the app and make use of it all the way from the cover screen. But the cover screen settings, by default, it only offers 6 apps that you can make use of, but that can change if you will download the Good Luck app. So you can download the Good Luck app from the Galaxy theme store, and with that app, with Good Luck app, you can also download like a bunch of other apps that you can make use of to customize your phone. So under Good Luck, you will find Makeup and Life Up. So under Life Up, you can install Multistar, which allows me to make use of all of the apps that I wanted to make use of directly on the cover screen. So once you have installed the Multistar, if you click that one, you have to toggle on Quick Launch to Multi-Window, and you can pick from Open in Split Screen View or the Open in Pop-Up View. So for me, that one doesn't really matter since I don't really make use of like split screen. So I just turn off the other things or the other settings or options. The very important one is just to turn on the Quick Launch to multi-window. So once that one is done, you can click multi-window and then just leave everything unchecked or unmarked, and then you can open multi-window for all apps. So make sure that you have toggle on the multi-window for all apps, or else you won't be able to make use of all of the apps that you wanted to make use of on your cover screen. So once this is done, you can go back to your settings, your phone settings, and from there we can customize our cover screen settings. So under the cover screen settings, you will find widgets, and then if you scroll down, you will find the word launcher. So make sure that that one is toggled on. But if you don't have the Multistar installed on your phone, then the launcher option won't be available. So the next thing you can do is to reorder that one, so that one will come first once you scroll your screen on your cover screen. So anyways, on the apps, you can turn off that one, so you don't need that one because that only offers like 6 apps. So once we have the launcher, the next thing we can do is to click that one. So from there, we can check all of the apps that we wanted to make use of on our cover screen. So what I'm going to do now is to pick all of the apps that I wanted to make use directly on my cover screen. So these are the apps that I mostly use in a day, and I make sure that the apps that I wanted to make use on my cover screen also has a customized icon so that I can still keep the cuteness and the theme on my phone, even on the cover screen. So the next thing that I do after picking all of the apps that I wanted to make use on my cover screen is to reorder or rearrange them. So all you have to do is just to drag them, like click and hold, and then after that you can drag them to wherever you wanted to place them. And that one is really very helpful, so you can still organize the apps that you have on your cover screen. So now that we're done with the settings, we can now go back to our home screen and close our phone, and now all of the apps that we have arranged are now visible on our cover screen. So let's try to open all of the apps, or probably not all, but some of the apps that we put on our cover screen. As you can see, it opens without any issues. You can even scroll like Facebook, or you can make use of YouTube. You can open every app as long as it's present on the cover screen. And as you can see, guys, I have an Instagram account, just in case you guys wanted to follow, then feel free to follow. So yeah, this is our very simple and very quick tutorial on how we can install all of the apps on our cover screen and make use of them directly on our cover screen. So I hope this one has helped you guys, and if you think that this video is very helpful, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do so. That will motivate me to keep posting more contents like this. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you all on my next one. Bye.